welcome to Penney Place. Today we're gonna be making cupcakes with my little sister BBS. Okay guys, so here are the ingredients: egg, oil, milk, and cupcake mix. So let's get started and super excited. So if you make cupcakes before, tell me in the comments down below, okay guys? Hey guys, you wanna pour the milk? Yeah. Okay, be careful, I'll hold the bowl. Okay, next is... Make it do it! No, this one is me. Oh my goodness, okay, BBS. Next one is egg. Oh, BBS here. Okay. Oh! Do I pour the other one too? Okay, here we go. Okay guys, now it's time to stir it. I'm this one. Okay. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna mix it. It looks kind of weird. La 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 la. It's so cool. Wow. Okay guys, so we're gonna keep mixing until there's no lumps until it's ready. Okay guys? Cause whenever you make cupcakes, you don't want it to be like disgusting. You have to make it perfect, but not really perfect. Okay guys? Just make it a good way, because when we make a gingerbread house, it wasn't even good. I don't know how to make a gingerbread house, but just make sure it is not a bad one. Okay guys? Just make it a good one. Are you kidding me? I love mixing it. Okay guys, I think it's ready, so we're gonna put it on the containers now. Oh, and I think I can eat this. Okay guys, so now we're gonna put the mixture in the cupcake containers. So let's do it. Okay, as first me and then you, okay? This is kind of fun. And
oops, that's enough.
Okay, there we go. This is kind of fun.
This one.
Okay.
Oops.
Yeah. Mama, you're best. I'm kind of bad.
It's okay.
Who's that singing in the bathroom? That must be my sister. I'm not gonna spill it. Wow! I'm not gonna spill it. My turn.
Okay.
Oh. My turn. Okay guys, are you ready? Yeah. Just make sure. Just make sure you're so scared.
It's okay, I'll fix it after.
Yeah! I'm so scared! Do it! I'm so scared! It's okay! Just do it. Oh, that's enough! Oh, it's okay! No! Put it here. Okay. Fine. Here. And then you can spill it. There we go. Oh, stop. Good. Stop. Stop. Okay, I'm just telling you when to stop. A little bit more there, Ice. A little bit more there. That's too low. And there we go. Stop. Oh, I think there's no more.
It's okay. I'll hold them.
Oh. mixture in the cupcake containers. We're gonna put it in the oven for 20 minutes, and I'll see you guys later when it rings. Okay, guys, bye. I'll see you. Come on, guys, go under the table. Yeah. Yeah. Here. Okay, guys, so the cupcakes are ready. And now we're gonna decorate it. And these are the other cupcakes that we're gonna decorate tomorrow or later. So let's just get started. Okay, I think first I'm gonna make a design. You guys, do you want to do it first? Or you want to get the sprinkles? Okay, I'll do it for you. No! Okay, I guess so. I'll just choose. No! I'm choosing. Oh my. Here you go! Okay, go. Hey, I don't want to use the sprinkle. Why is it not working?
Yeah, it's a star shape. You have to squish it on the very tip.
I stop it. Here?
Yes, and squish it so hard. Can I do it? Yeah.
Nice! So can I do it on?
Wait for your turn. That's it, Penny. Raise it up. Yeah. That's it. Squish it so hard. That's a bit hard. Squish it so hard. I'll show you.
Can you help me?
Sure.
I'm trying to make a design.
Oh. Okay. You hold it like this. I should show you. That's it. Oh, no, not the other part naman. Okay.
I saw.
Move it here. Yeah. Next.
I'm gonna after I put all of it and it's covered. I want to spread it.
Yeah.
My turn. My mommy. Just so. My turn. Oh my goodness. My mommy.
Okay, give it to her so you can spread it now. Here, use the spoon. Spread it.
Okay.
Yeah. Spread it. And then you put the sprinkle.
Wait, but what about the other?
Yeah, like that.
Wait, but I'm trying to put some more.
Yeah, you can do
I'm
it.
trying to make the design too. I don't know how to make a cupcake.
Okay, may I borrow the frosting, please?
No.
No, don't.
Here you go.
Don't push it hard. Give me.
Now the
Hold the cupcake, okay? Look, Penny. Yeah, you don't have to.
Actually, I want. Oh, thank you, Mama.
That's it. Then you sprinkle. No, you don't have to do that. Just don't.
I just
Don't do that.
want to
It
make
will.
something.
See, it will just stuck on your spoon. Give me the spoon. Now get the sprinkle.
I
Now.
want this. I'm gonna do it. Now I'm gonna sprinkle it, guys. See you. Wow. It's amazing. I love it.
Then you can try it.
Really, Mom? Thank you. The sprinkle is yummy. I need to taste one.
Now you try the cupcake.
Wait, I'm still sprinkling it. Me too. I'm still sprinkling it. Done. Actually, want to taste it? Yeah.
It's a cupcake. It is, go. Yum.
Wow!
How about the Penney?
Okay. I'm just gonna put a few more touches. There. Wow! Lovely cupcake. It's so cool. Is that our sprinkles?
It's nice?
The cake is so good. Bye! Okay guys, thank you so much guys for watching my video. Make sure to subscribe and like my YouTube channel. Bye! Let God and people hate the bad stuff too. Bye! Yeah! Bye. I'm gonna eat two. I'm gonna eat two. If you want to eat two ice, you can decorate another one.
No, that's...
Where's the